Afternoon, how are you?
So, how much time you can spend with me right now?
It's fine. I have time. You
You have
can
time, right?
take.
Okay. So it's no
Sorry.
hurry, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. No hurry.
Okay, that's fine. So let us complete this AWS console. Okay. So I'll share my screen. One second. Yeah, I think you can see my screen. I think so. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Oh, so fine.
Yes.
AWS console.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So earlier we have seen about IAM. We have discussed about IAM concepts and all. So
Yes.
yeah, today so far actually we have managed AWS account graphical way, right? So user interface using even EC2 S3 user IAM creating EIM all we actually managed with a graphical user interface, correct? By using GUI, right? So all those things we have managed through GUI. So now we are going to see how we have to manage with CLI. Okay. So two ways we have actually. One is GUI. Okay. The other one is console, command line interface. We can call. Okay. So normally you can able to GUI can able to understand everybody. So it is visible. Okay. It is clickable. You can manage anything by clicking so only. Okay. By touching, by mouse pointer you can able to handle. Okay, but CLI command line interface you have to use. First of all you need to create access key and a security key. Okay, you must need access key and security first. Okay, so
Okay.
three ways we can do that. One is actually graphical representation, the other one is CLI, and the third one is Terraform. We can manage AWS account. We can manage AWS account,
In
or
three ways.
we can, yeah, in three ways. First is graphical way, you know already. So now
Okay.
we are going to see about command line interface, how we have to manage the infrastructure using CLI. Okay. The third one is Terraform or cloud formation. Okay. So
Okay. Cloud formation.
By using Terraform and cloud formation, we can able to create complete infrastructure in
Okay.
automation way.
Okay.
Okay. So now we are going to see about command line interface. Okay. Right. Let's move. I need to use Google now.
Okay.
So first of all, I need to go my account. See, this is my account. Okay, same your account also you can see here. So see security credentials. Yesterday I have shown you this. Okay, so in this, let it open. In this you can find access and security keys.
Okay.
Can you see here? So you need to create access key and security, or else you can also search in global search
Mm-hmm.
access key. Okay,
Okay.
access key analyzer. Okay, from here itself you can find
Mm-hmm.
access. I am access analyzer. Okay, from here itself you can find, 1 minute, not this, key management, I think so.
Just come.
Key management service, can you see?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, you can create a key here from here itself. Else one click only, security credentials. Okay, simple. You can use this. It is easy. Access key, create access key. Okay, just to create access key. Simple. Just need to understand. Just
Okay,
create
create
access key.
this what key. Okay, we go to this and then key
No,
analyzer, right?
just simply you just go to security credentials. So only create it. That's it. One step.
Access key.
Access key and simply download this .csv file.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and open this. Okay, this is the key. I'll open this. Same IAM credentials also you got say on in the format
Yeah,
.csv comma
yes,
separated value.
yes,
Okay,
yes. Yes, yes.
so I'll tell you here. Here, this is my laptop. Oh, maybe this is not laptop. Okay, this is my laptop.
Yeah.
Okay, in this my laptop. Okay, so for Windows is operating system. I'm sure. I think your operating system also Windows.
Yes.
Okay. On top of Windows, so you need to run the on top of Windows. You need to run the CLI these commands, AWS commands.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So first, if you want to access this access keys and security keys, first you need to you have AWS account, right? This
Yeah.
AWS account need to connect. Okay, which means AWS CLI. You can also manage through CLI. Earlier we have managed through GUI.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So now what we are going to do is, so we can able to manage through CLI for AWS account, AWS infrastructure. Okay. So what we are doing is we already download access keys in my system and security keys.
Security keys is where? Only access key, right?
No, no, no. We have access key and security key both. You see,
So both. Okay. So access key, when you download access key, it gives you both.
it gives you both, right? So we have already we have downloaded this. Okay.
Yeah.
So and again you need to download AWS CLI for Windows.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay.
AWS
CLI for Windows.
CLI for Windows. Okay. So let me download this.
Google.
I will go for Google. I'll type here AWS CLI install for Windows. Okay. See this one.
AWS documentation.
Yeah. So you can see here installing or updating the latest version of AWS CLI. So
CLI.
here AWS CLI version 2 is there, latest one.
Migration guide for AWS CLI version.
Yeah. So if you click this, you will go for AWS CLI. So you may find here installer install AWS CLI for SDK. 1 minute.
Before it was, I mean, if you scroll down, say Mac and Windows and all. Yeah, this one.
This is okay, but we need installer MSI for Microsoft.
Oh yeah, MSI. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just looking for it. Prerequisites, setting up, installing updates, installing AWS, install and update, build and install source.
Sometimes they don't just give it directly; they make it
Yeah,
very.
yeah, we need to find out. Definitely, we need to check it. We need to find out from through document itself.
Yeah, they make it very confusing.
Yeah, yeah. So AWS is providing, but we need to find.
It's like a hidden treasure.
Yes, authentication access, configuration settings.
Apart from this documentation, don't they provide it anywhere else? The because generally the downloading package is also available in other places also.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, if we're not finding it here, maybe we'll find it somewhere else.
You need to get it from authorized
Right? But this is not showing actually.
version one. This is. You see, this is
Six.
this is the one. Okay. So this is actually version one. I'm looking for version two. Let me check.
Okay. Okay.
Even if you don't find version two, also it doesn't matter. It's okay. But I'm
Mhm.
looking for latest one. That's okay.
Yeah,
Nothing.
yeah.
It doesn't make that much difference. Anyways, I'm going to download this for my system is 64-bit.
64 bit.
Downloading it. Okay, it's downloading. It's downloading. Let it download. And for
Yes.
Linux machine,
Yeah.
we'll see after this. Why should we?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, I think it's downloaded. Yeah, this is the one. Just simply we need to install this. That's it.
Okay.
Nothing, nothing. Okay, just accept. Next.
At work, I mean, generally work. What do you use? GUI, CLI, CloudFormation, Terraform.
Me, you are asking me.
Yes, I mean, in generally, yes, like you are working and
Generally, there is no any format like that. Sam, actually, it depends on complete computer company requirement, as I said yesterday. Okay, so companies will use automation for the smooth transition and fast delivery. Okay.
Mhm.
So if companies begin larger one who can afford more on AWS, they can use AWS automation for purpose also. And some companies very small scale companies will afford for small services. So for them, no need all these things, right? Automation. So GUI is more than enough.
Okay. But you said that you use Terraform in your company, so
Yeah, I set up Terraform.
yeah,
So,
Terraform you said.
but actually that is for automation purpose I set up, but
Mhm.
we are not using it.
Okay.
Only just shown them that I can also do automation using coding.
Okay.
So for if we get bigger projects, we'll utilize it.
Okay.
So for CLI, I mean GUI is more than enough for us. It's our small company.
Right. Right.
So for me, it's taking too much time. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's finished. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, this is the one. Okay.
Command line.
Successfully installed CLI. All right. Okay. Let me open command from prompt.
Mhm.
Okay. So this I'm going to use this because already it is actually it is a prerequisite. So I already
Mhm.
installed AWS CLI. So background it will take care. Okay. So
Fine.
now what I have to do is I need to configure it first. Okay. The command is AWS configure.
Okay.
FIGURE, no spelling mistake. Okay. Type this AWS configure. Enter.
It will maybe make connection
See,
with
see
the.
this. It is asking access key.
Access key.
Okay, let me take access key from here itself.
Copy.
Copy. Okay, where is that? Here. Paste. Just a right click only for paste. Enter.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. The next one is I need to take secret key.
Access key.
Okay, see this? It is asking secret key.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the reason? What region I am using currently?
Think Mumbai. No, I don't know.
Let me check. Okay, my region might be it's
No.
any region if you want. It will navigate actually. If you keep North Virginia, it will go to that. So I'm going to use Mumbai itself. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
I'll go Mumbai. 1 minute. So this is global. Not going here. All the services. Bit slow little today.
Yeah, came.
Yeah, currently Mumbai. Mumbai, what is that? AP hyphen South hyphen 1. Okay.
Yeah.
AP hyphen South hyphen 1. So this is our region. Okay. This is region
Mm-hmm.
name. Okay.
Okay,
Not
okay.
Mumbai. So this is our region name. AP hyphen South hyphen 1.
Okay, okay. This you have to copy this.
Yes, enter. Okay, nothing. Just default output format. I'm going to keep text. Enter.
And what is this output format?
This is output format means whatever the data will be in format data text format I kept.
Okay, okay, okay. But what
If you
it will
don't
be
keep if you don't
text
keep
only.
if you don't keep it will take JSON as a default.
Okay, okay.
JSON, you know JSON you have seen, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
so I'm just taking text, right? Okay. So now this is enough. Setup is done actually. Okay. So now I need to run AWS commands on Windows. Okay.
So,
So here four things we need to remember. First point is first point. I'm just repeating. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. First point is access keys.
access keys and security key, secret key,
Yeah. Next to secret key.
secret access key.
Yeah. And next the third thing is region.
Yes.
Okay. The fourth is format. These four steps only we have done. Right?
Right.
Yeah. So next, what I will do is now we will run the AWS commands on Windows here. Okay, let me go to again Google AWS S3 simple. You see this AWS S3 commands.
Mm-hmm.
Enter. I will take here. This is official one maybe. Yeah, S3. Okay. Yeah, we got reference. Okay. So what I'll do is, what is MB? Let's see here. What is MB and what is CP? CP, LS, MB, right? These commands, right?
Yes.
So I'm just checking the MB. What is MB is? MB is for creating bucket.
Okay.
Okay.
Make bucket.
Yes. See this?
Make
What
bucket.
is the following MB command creates a bucket. That's it. So using MB means it will create a bucket. That's it. Simple. Remaining all normal. AWS S3 MB. Just need to copy this. Okay. I will simply paste here. So does it works?
Yeah, I have to change the name of the bucket. That's all.
Absolutely correct. You're right. So I'm going to keep bucket one, bucket bucket one, uh, cloud DevOps. I'll keep my name. Okay. Anything? That's it. Okay. Let me check. Enter.
Right. Whether it's created or not.
See here, make bucket, which means no any error. So again, I will take I will take
Some
the default one. Let's see. I need to show you the error also. Okay, so now it will throw the error. What is the error? The bucket error is request bucket name starts with the reserved prefix, which means you are using default name with on top of this name already some bucket was created. So that's why the
Right.
name is not taking. So don't worry about this errors. So simple, it will throw an error. That's it. Okay, so we have created some bucket which is bucket one cloud DevOps Lokesh. Let me go physical and check.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
so and you if you want to check here, if you want to check here whether how many buckets you are having, you are containing. Okay,
Yeah.
the command is AWS S3 ls.
Yeah, okay, same thing.
Yeah,
List.
see this.
Okay.
Okay, this is previous one. Don't worry about that. So just now we created it. The same
Right.
name you just confirm with it here.
Right.
This one.
There are two buckets.
Yes. So let me go physically now.
There are two buckets created through CLI or two buckets generally. Let's say, for example, one you created through CLI, one you created through GUI.
See,
Said it will show
Sam,
both.
just try to observe. Only one bucket we have created now.
That's right.
This
But
not this is
the
not
second bucket,
created. This is not created yet. This bucket is showing the list. Previous one also it is showing.
yeah, this might you might have created using GUI also, so it would
Yes,
be
this is
showing.
actually I have created using GLI on 16th.
Okay.
Okay, this is today's
All the
date.
buckets it will show. Fine.
Yeah, definitely. LS means list. All list it will show.
Right, right.
Right? So let me go to there. AWS account. Duplicates. S3. Open S3. Okay. So this is the one we have created just now.
Yes.
Bucket one Cloud DevOps, which is created by CLI.
Yes, yes.
Right? So this is how we can able to create a bucket. Okay. So now a question again. I'll also create another bucket. Okay. Just simple. I need to keep another bucket. Just simple. Copy. Excuse me. Okay. Copy it. Paste it. I want to make this name as bucket 2. Okay. Enter. So again, this bucket is created. It is not showing, but it will create. Okay.
Right,
Created. Fine. So two buckets created. Now the question is again, how to upload the files into this bucket
right.
using CLI, right?
It's,
And if you want to see, you can also see lot more directories, which is if you keep, if you enter this command, this is actually Windows command. In Windows, you have to use these kind of commands because Windows commands and Linux commands are both different. So if you want to see the files here, so you can type dir directory. Okay. So using directory, you can see how many files on top of my screen.
yes.
Okay. So where see this users Lokesh? It is in my system. My local system files are there here lot more. Okay. Anyways, so now the thing is how to upload a local file into S3 using CLI,
Yes.
right? Now let's see. Um, okay, let me go back. See this local file to S3 S3 bucket.
Yes, remote.
Okay, CP command.
Copy.
Oh yeah, copy. So now let me check from here. Oh, right. Okay, I will take here. copying a local file to S3. This is what I need. Okay. So what I will do is I will create a folder. Okay. Or else already existed folder, whatever. So I will copy. Okay. Test.txt, it is not existed in my local system. Okay. And this is actually, this is source path. This is destination path. Clear? Source is my local system. Destination
Yes.
is your bucket, S3
Okay.
bucket. Clear? So I need to copy this and modify.
Yeah. You also have to create a file.
Yes. Or else existed files also you can utilize. Not a
Yeah.
big
Yeah.
deal. Paste here. Okay. If you want, you can also you can create also. Not a big deal. Okay. See here. C users Lokesh. I will go there physically. C drive. Where is users? Can you identify?
Under C it is.
Yeah, under C. Here it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Lokesh here it is there, right? So these files it is showing. Okay. So what
Yeah.
I will do is I will create a file called as DevOps.
Okay.
Okay. No, no, not file, not
Next file.
folder. I'll create a text file. That's it. Delete. Okay. And whatever the file is there, this file, I'm going to keep. I'm going to save there itself. Save. Yeah. This is. I'm going to keep this as devops.txt. Okay. And there I will store users Lokesh. Which one? Two are there, right? I think this one. DevOps S missed. Okay, so that's it. I saved it. Let me check here again whether my file is appear or not. Can you identify here DevOps text? Can you find any extra file, new file?
No, I can't see. Not yet.
Okay, so then file not get created. Let me go back again. You see, this command is not working. Okay, so physically I'll go there and I'll check. DevOps, it is there.
Yeah. Physically, it's there.
Yes, yes. Okay, and go. I'll go back. Windows users Lokesh, correct?
Mhm.
AWS. I'll check in AWS. Configurable credentials. Yeah, it is there physically. And why it is not showing? Yeah, Docker. These are all dot files and contacts, music.
No, it's showing.
Hmm, let me take this. Copy. And I'll go to C drive again. I'll paste here. Windows can't find. Okay, so I should not. I will remove this and I will enter. So DevOps. Yes, this one the file. This is the file, right? Okay. Hmm. Weird. Physically, it is showing. Okay, so whatever it is showing, let's take some file, already existed
Yeah,
file.
yeah, it's showing something.
Yeah, some
I,
documents.
I saw something in the light in front of 53, 53, 53, 53.
This
Yeah,
one,
here.
right?
Yeah, DevOps text.
It is showing. Thanks. Anyways, that's fine, it's good to see. All right. So then, so now the what is the
So we
text
have to do
here?
BIR, right? BIR to come to C and user and Lokesh, right?
Yeah. So now what I'm doing is I will modify this. So let me change it as DevOps. DevOps, right?
Dot TXT, yeah.
DevOps.txt. So again, here, which bucket you want to copy this? Bucket one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We have
So
to
let
name
me
that.
go there. Let me go there. Where is bucket?
S3.
This is the bucket one, right?
Uh,
I will copy this and I will paste here. Okay. So this is the command now. I'm going to here paste it. Excuse me. It is not copied. Okay. Save. I'm going to close this also and paste. Yeah. So this is a command. So this, what my intention is actually, um, whatever the text is, local, whatever the local file is there, that file need to be upload in this bucket. That's what my intention. Enter. Upload it. It is showing that it is uploaded. Let me go physically and verify it. I'm opening this bucket. See this devops.txt.
yes.
Okay, that's
Yes.
it, right?
Yes. But the things that we can do through GUI is very different. Now we have uploaded the text file. Now we have to give it public permission and all of that. So that is something. If we do with CLI, then we will be very lost, and it will be very challenging.
Yeah. I'm just showing you to better understanding. This is the way we have also. So, and some people actually most probably will use GUI only. Some
Yeah.
people will be habituated with the Linux only. Some Linux administrators are habituating only Linux. For them, this is okay. Okay. So right, and right, we also verified clearly. So now what we will do is um okay, what next? Any topics here? Yeah. We'll do one thing. We'll create a user. Okay. We'll create a user to from CLI. Excuse me. Are you there? Okay. So I'm going to create a user. See here. This is the only name is SAM SAM AWS. Okay. IAM user is creating AWS IAM create hyphen user hyphen
So
hyphen username, which means this is actually complete standard command. Okay. So this is AWS IAM create user hyphen hyphen username. It is telling that keep username. This is username. In our case, SAM hyphen AWS is username for us.
uh, how did it come? I am create user.
Till here, it is actually command SAM. So you need to remember, however. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So this is actually username.
The name of the user. Okay.
Uh, I'll keep SAM user. I'll keep user.
Okay.
Okay, I'll keep like this. Enter. See this? User
Yeah.
got created.
Yes.
Okay,
Created or not created?
it is created.
Created. Created.
So if you have a doubt, simple. Go and check physically. You need to verify.
Yeah, yeah. There.
Okay, so let me go. IAM first. Take duplicate. IAM. Okay. So first, what I have created just user, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Check the users are available or not. See this? Sam iPhone user.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
There is one.
Yeah, there is one. Still not yet updated. This one. It is
Yeah, yeah.
updating. Okay.
Because you have just created it.
Just created. Okay. And for
You have
group.
not given any roles, permissions, nothing. You just
Uh, yeah.
created a user.
Yep. Yep. You're right. So and I'm going to create a group. Okay. For this group, this is actually command. So nothing same. It's look like same. Just compare.
Right. User to group.
IAM AWS IAM add user to group hyphen hyphen user name is I need to change it as a Sam hyphen user.
Yeah, yeah.
Username is Sam. Okay. What is the group name? Group name is DevOps.
Developers.
No, DevOps.
DevOps.
Okay. This is my group name and
Yeah.
user is Sam. So I should find a Sam user in the DevOps group. Let me check.
Yeah, yeah. Let's check.
DevOps iPhone. I'll keep one. Okay. Maybe if there is any group with the same name, it will not take. Enter. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, error occurred. When calling add group to operation, the group with the name DevOps one cannot be found.
Cannot be found.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
So that means
Means
there
already, if
a
it is
group
already
also.
exist only, it is going to be added.
Yeah. So there has to be a group already.
So if you want to create a group, just need to create. You need to verify. You need to add that. So you are actually adding just to replace with create. Sorry, create. You create group, not user. Just simply create a group. First we are creating a group. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to remove everything.
Remove this. Yeah.
First I will create a group first. What is the group name?
DevOps.
DevOps one. I'll keep.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is the group name. Okay. It is created. Again I will add now. Now it is working fine.
Created.
So let me check here. Um, First, I'll go to the groups. Where is that? This is the one. Groups. Let me check here. User
Refresh.
groups. The group name is
DevOps.
DevOps one. In this, you see this SAM user.
Right.
I created a user first. After the group first. After that, I throw it into that uh, group.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. So this is all about CLI. We can utilize this CLI if you want.
Yes. Yes. Little things.
Yeah, you can practice it, Sam.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
That's good.
Yeah. One second.
But this, in I think in this case, we needs to be logged on to the GUI. If it is offline, if we have not logged into the GUI, maybe that will not work. The CLI will not work.
Locked in the sense.
For example, I am only working on the CLI,
Hmm.
and I am not logged into this AWS
Ah.
uh, web service.
Hmm.
Then I think it might not work. So both of
No,
them
no, no,
should.
no. It will work. It will work. It will work. I'm just opening AWS for showing physically verification. I opened AWS for physical verification to show you. Without logging in also it will work. So you actually, Sam, actually you logging here using access key and security key, right?
Right.
Secret key, right? So which means you are logging in.
Okay. Okay. So in this case, I don't have to when I open the GUI console, I have to write my username and then password and
Right.
then authentication key and then I.
Yeah, yeah. Here we are using
If I
access
do
key and
not
security
even
key.
go there, I directly use CLI. I only use access keys. It will work, right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't have to go to that. Okay. Fine.
No need all those things.
Fine.
Okay. Fine, Sam. I hope this is fine.
Yeah.
So tomorrow you can do practice yourself or you can
Yeah,
practice
this
with
this
me.
is yeah, this is I will do. This is good.
For sure,
I'll try.
right?
Yeah, I'll try this. You can send the recording. I'll try
Yes,
this.
yes. Please do practice.
Try one.
If you face any difficulty, just to ping me.
Yes.
Okay, I can help you.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thanks for connection. Thanks for joining with
Yeah,
me
I
today.
just wanted to so that no we move fast and we get to the DevOps part. So that's why.
Okay, so even anyways, you are spending time with me anyways. That would be good.
Yeah, we will do it and nicely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine, Sam.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, same to you. Take care. Bye bye.
See you soon.